Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat not installed on Steam games. First, go to your Steam library and find the game that requires Easy Anti-Cheat. Right-click on the game and click on Properties. In the Properties window, go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the verification to complete, then close the window and try playing the game. If the issue persists, right-click on the game again and click on Manage, then click on Browse Local Files. Navigate to the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and double-click on the EOS Setup file. Close the folder and try playing the game again. If the issue still remains, go back to the game Properties, Installed Files, and delete the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Wait for the folder to be deleted, then go back to Installed Files and verify the integrity of game files again. Wait for the verification to complete, then try playing the game. If the issue is resolved, you're good to go. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.